wish you could see yourself just sitting there on.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. So I've lost count of the amount of times I've tried filming this intro, so it is what it is at this point. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. So I'm doing a bit of a autumnal vlog. I love watching like day in the life, spend the day with me type of videos, so I thought I would film one for you guys. I have quite a bit planned today, so I thought today would be a good day to do it. So I do have lots of cleaning and tidying to do to get my house nice and cozy, but I also want to go shopping. I actually want to go to Tesco's because they have the best knitwear, like the best jumpers and cardigans and loungewear and just all the cozy vibes. So I'm going to be going there, and I've also got some more bits planned today. So because I've got such a busy day, I thought it would be a good idea to vlog it. So I hope you all really enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you do, and let's just jump straight into it.
I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I had.
So everywhere is feeling super cozy right now, and I absolutely love it. I love decorating this cabinet and just all the twinkle lights. I've also lit a candle, and yeah, it's just smelling like autumn, and I love it. And I say everywhere is nice and cozy, it's literally just the front room and the kitchen, because upstairs is an absolute mess. But I don't really have time to do that right now. I'm like proper out of breath from running downstairs, but I don't have time to do all of upstairs yet, so I might try and like film that later. I don't know, I might do it later and then put it after this clip. Who knows, I think we'll find out together. But eventually I want to get the whole house done. Hallway's not looking too bad, but yeah, I think I'm just going to get ready now to go shopping and just look at all of the cozy autumnal bits.
Another night, I fall in your sight. Your new eyes cut sharp like a knife.
Okay, so I'm back from shopping. I didn't manage to film everything that I wanted to, just because I had my hands full and I literally couldn't film, but I picked up so many good things. I can't wait to show you what I got. But first I just want to whiz around and do the dressing room before doing like a little try on, like show you what I got kind of clip. But I'm also going to an 80s themed party this evening, so you're gonna get ready with me for that. So we've got that still to come, so yeah, lots of fun stuff still happening. But the first thing I want to do is just whiz round and quickly tidy up. always feels so nice in here when it's just had a good tidy. I do need to get rid of this because that's not a vibe. Get a new chair. I'm thinking of getting rid of the rail and having more like cabinet space there. Huge mirror is going to go there, and yeah, I'm just really excited. I think I'm going to be ordering the mirror in the next couple of days from the Range. I saw a really nice one, and when I was actually in the Range I saw this. I thought it was just really cute and simple, and it would really go with like my mirrored tray, and I thought of putting some of my micellar water in it just to give it a bit more of like a glamorous feel. I saw Amy do this over on Instagram, so I thought I'd give it a go, because then you can just like pump it out rather than having this on the side, and it would just look so much better. I'm also going to go ahead and fill up this jar because it's almost out with some more wipes again, just to get it looking, you know, nice and pretty. I picked up a few bits when I was out today as well for the 80s themed party that I'm going to later, so that's going to be fun. I'm just going to pop those over there and we'll get ready for that a little bit later, but first of all, let's just go ahead and sort this out. How pretty does that look? I love this. I can't believe I was such an idiot though, and trying to like squeeze it out through that small little lid, but I eventually figured out that that can come off, and this just looks so nice. I think like when I'm had enough of the pumpkins, that's definitely going to be going on my mirrored tray with my perfume and stuff, but I'm really loving the pumpkins at the moment, so they can just stay there. But it's now time to start getting ready for tonight. So I've actually got some rainbow laces that my sister lent me, so I'm going to go ahead and pop those in the boots.
Don't be a stranger.
I think these look so cool. Like I would actually wear these with rainbow laces anyway, but that's definitely going to make it pop because I'm just wearing leggings and a black t-shirt with like the neon colour, so that will sort of spice up that section. I did want to get leg warmers, but I couldn't find them. I'm also going to be putting my hair big and crazy using this for my arm, my hands, and then this for, well, obviously bracelets. So yeah, it's time to start actually getting ready.
And a pretty call. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. Most of...
Does this actually happen to anyone else? Like I just tidied, got ready to go out, and wow, this happens. Like this is just from getting ready, but I kind of love the look. My camera died, like my phone died whilst I was filming. I think I was only just started doing the hair when it died, so this is my current look. Can you actually believe I'm going to be going out in public like this? Because I really can't, but we move. So yeah, I'm actually running a bit late, so I do have to just run out now. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Good morning guys. So it's now the next day, and I don't know why I'm saying good morning, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but I couldn't bring myself to film any earlier. I was feeling a little bit rough, so feeling better now, getting back to it. And I really wanted to show you what I got from Tesco's yesterday. So this is actually one of the jumpers that I got, and I think you just had a sneak peek of another little reveal, but we did something this morning and I am so over the moon about it. So let me just turn you around. Ta-da! Oh my god, I love this mirror so much. So I've been going on about wanting to get like a huge mirror for this room for the longest time, and we finally got one. This was from the Range, and I just think it's perfect. I love that we went for white. I say we, but I went for white because now I can just like completely change the room up if I want to, and the mirror will still go. So yeah, I think I'm going to be sticking with all neutrals and gold, and then like I can just change up the colours. But I think it's made a huge difference to the room. If I sort of turn you around, it makes it so much bigger, and I love how the curtain drapes down, and yeah, I just love everything about it. And it's also going to make doing like try on clips so much easier when it's just like I don't have to set up the tripod. And yeah, I absolutely love this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got from Tesco's because I am loving everything. Picked up this one first. I got this oversized, so this is a size 14. I'm usually sort of an 8 to 10, but I think this is really nice. I love that it's got like balloon sleeves, but then it comes tight at the wrist. I think that's like really flattering, and I just, so cozy, guys. It is so cozy. So this is the first little piece that I picked up. This is the next outfit I got, and this is definitely a first impressions. I've not tried them on yet, and the leggings are a little bit too big, so you can definitely size down. I got these in an 8. I'm actually usually a 10, so I already did size down, and they're still a bit big, but they're quite snug like on the waist, but like legs, they're a little bit baggy. But I think that's just because I do like them being super tight. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or return them. Let me know down in the comments if they're just too baggy on the leg to get away with, but I still really like them. They're really nice material, super thick, and they are very comfy, so I do like them. I just paired it with this jumper, and again, I love the jumper. It's so thick and snuggly. The sleeves are like, what's it, is it like a bell sleeve? That's what it's called, a bell sleeve? I'm not sure, but it's just a wide sleeve. And yeah, overall really like the outfit. But let me know down in the comments what you think about the leggings. I've got the same leggings on, and I've just paired it with this top, and I wasn't sure how it was going to fit because it is like oversized, but I really like it. I really like that the neck is actually tight, because otherwise it would just look like it's too big for me. But because it is nice and snug, like you can see that it's meant to be that way. But again, it's super soft. I love like the detail down at the front of it, and yeah, this one is definitely a keeper as well. So far it's just 10 out of 10 on the knitwear. Love everything. Okay, so when I was getting these on, I was honestly like, what were you thinking? But I actually really like these shorts. I just paired them with a top I already had, and obviously the socks are killing the vibe, but I just think if I wore these with like black tights, black boots, a long coat, I don't know, it could look quite cute. I really like the button detail on them. Definitely keeping these. They're super comfy, really like fitted around the waist, which I love because I love high waist, but I hate it when they like slip down. So that's really nice. Let me just try it on with a long coat. Okay, I'm sorry, but is this not like a total vibe? So this is a new coat that I picked up the other day from H&M. It was only £40, and I thought that was an absolute bargain. It's so thick and heavy. I did size up in it because I am going to want to like layer big chunky knits underneath, but I just feel like if you have shorts on or a skirt when it's cold, as long as you have like a big coat, some boots, I've done it up so you can see what it would look like. And yeah, I definitely want to keep the shorts just so I can like wear this coat. Like I think the whole outfit together is actually really cute. So yeah, I definitely recommend. Next I got this really nice jumper dress. I actually thought it was going to be a bit longer, like it looked like it'd sort of be calf length, especially on me because I'm only 5'1", but it's not, so that's not a bad thing. I still think it looks really nice. I like the slit on the side. I have paired it with a belt that I also picked up from Tesco, just to like cinch it in a bit so you can have it like baggier or shorter, however you want to wear it. But again, I think it'll just look really nice with black boots, and then again like a long coat. The colour is really nice. You know that I love my neutrals, and yeah, I just love it cinched in. But let me take it off so you can actually see what the dress looks like without. So this is what it looks like without the belt. It does just go like straight down, but I still think it's quite a flattering shape. I don't think it's like too big. Definitely saved the most comfortable outfit until last. It's this gorgeous little lounge set, and yeah, it's just absolutely perfect. I did size up because I wanted it to be baggy, but just get your normal size because the top is now really baggy, but it's just to lounge around the house in, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I love the long line cardi, and honestly guys, the fabric is just so soft. Like, it's just so soft. And then I paired it with the most comfortable slippers ever. It's like walking on a cloud, and yeah, I think I'm going to be staying in this one for the rest of the day. I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. I just wanted to pop on today to show you all the pieces that I picked up because it's all just so cozy and it's just making me want the colder weather even more. So definitely check it out. If you don't normally shop Tesco for clothes, then knitwear is like amazing. So definitely recommend it. Do go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.